In this video, I will show you how to fix slow phone Android. Over time, your Android phone have unnecessary files and data which can slow down the device. So freeing up space can significantly improve performance. So make sure to clear cache, and for this what you have to do is go to the settings and then search for storage and then clear the cache data. This free up storage without losing any app data. And then after that, look for the apps you have not used in a while. These apps take up space and can even run background process that slow down your phone. So uninstall these apps, and also app running in the background can drain your phone's resources and slow it down. So limiting background activities can boost performance. So what you have to do is use the recent app buttons to bring up apps running in the background and swipe away the ones you don't need open. And you can restart your phone regularly. A restart is a quick and easy way to refresh your phone, and you can restart your phone regularly. A restart is a quick and easy way to refresh your phone and improve its performance. Regular restarts clear out memory, stop background process that might be running unnecessarily,